because it looked, when I looked inside. Yeah, we're gonna have to do the bigger one too, because this ain't nothing.
We gotta get back. They don't go down the other way.
Okay, so it's a right? Because if we go left, we're going back down. Yeah.
So don't look down. You're left.
Look, there we go. It's gonna go back up, but remember, this is where the other trail is.
We are here.
Yeah, and we just came from over here. So.
Ariam could have said that.
I don't know. Where did those other people go?
They held on to them trees and went.
Are you kidding me? I put my stick away.
This can't be a real, like, situation.
Oh Lord. Be careful. So I think they just got right there, right? Be very careful out here though. Go ahead.
Our hike that actually turned in, our walk that actually turned into a hike.
Hey, be very careful.
I'm trying. Let me put this on my arm for my phone falling out of water.
This is so dangerous.
Where I put my other phone yet? Cause y'all playing. Let me put it in my actual bag. Ain't trying to lose nothing out here. So this is our first time going to see the bamboo forest.
I'm not gonna make my path.
And it's getting hotter. Jesus. Why am I already sweating?
Ooh, I told y'all put me in the jungle. I wasn't playing from the moment I parked.
No, the moment I got to that dirt road, I was like, oh, is this real? Right. And I see why there's no parking on the street. You're not parking your car next in front of my big house. Yeah. Yeah. Your car would be towed immediately. Yeah, they need to make it bigger. I don't know. And pave that dang road.
Bro, we need some wood. What's your homeboy at?
Who?
The man that hikes us through stuff like this.
Oh, Jonathan.
This is bullshit.
I think he did do the bamboo force before. I know somebody when he got me.
I don't think people get into this. Why am I in the front?
Right. And I know it's freezing.
It looks so clear though.
Glad I ain't bring my damn dog.
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought I was going for a walk. I'm doing shit.
We would have to do other trails if we just brought the dog.
We wouldn't have known until we got out here. They would have been like, what's the matter?
See, I never even did this trail. Like, we went the other way. And I
Is this the same one that they say it's the Chattahoochee?
Is what?
Chattahoochee?
Yeah, it's all connected. So the same, the neighborhood ones that we went to,
Uh-huh.
that's all neighborhood, that's all connected.
I bet it's literally right off the highway.
Yeah, apparently the bamboo force is like right where Ray's on the river is.
Oh.
I gotta get me an Amazon walking stick.
Yeah. At this point. She did. She wasn't playing with me.
Yep.
Oh, that is sweet.
Couldn't do it though. Okay, now what? Why do you go over there? How they get up there? So doing them back there.
Oh wait, there's another one right there.
Okay.